In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve geometry problems in Google Gemini. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a productive chat, prompt clearly, and use the responses to build real problem-solving skills. First, open Google Gemini and start a new chat. Beginning with a fresh conversation keeps the context clean, so the model focuses on the geometry you care about. If you've been chatting about other topics, create a new thread to avoid confusion. You can type normally, no special formatting is required, and you can always reset the chat if the conversation drifts. Next, decide the type of geometry problems you want to practice. Narrowing your focus helps Gemini tailor the difficulty and methods. You might pick triangles, circles, polygons, angles, and parallel lines. Coordinate geometry, area and perimeter, or even surface area and volume. Consider your goal. Are you reviewing fundamentals, practicing problem sets for a test, or exploring tougher proof-style questions? Being specific here will make everything that follows much more effective. Now write a clear prompt to generate and solve problems. Tell Gemini the topic, the difficulty level, easy, medium, or hard, and how many problems you want. Ask for step-by-step solutions and request diagrams if possible. If images aren't an option, ask for clear textual descriptions or simple ASCII sketches. Including a sample problem in your prompt is a great way to set the tone. For example, you can paste one representative question and say, use this style and show every step, including formulas and units. You can also ask for hints first, then the full solution, which encourages active learning. Don't forget to specify whether you want exact answers, decimals, or both. After Gemini responds, review the solutions carefully and then try solving similar problems yourself. Before looking at each step, pause and attempt the problem independently. Once you've tried it, compare your work to the model's reasoning. Pay attention to definitions, theorems, and why each step follows logically. If something feels unclear, ask for an alternative method, a slower explanation, or a quick recap of the key idea. You can even request a new, similar problem with different numbers to test your understanding immediately. Finally, repeat this process regularly with fresh problems to deepen your understanding. Mix in new topics, gradually raise the difficulty, and keep a running list of concepts you've mastered and those you want to revisit. Consistency is the fastest way to turn step-by-step walkthroughs into confident, independent problem solving.